All right, guys, we just pulled off the exit, and we're in Bristol, and 5 miles to go. Sitting at a light. We got to turn the camera on. That was 100 and whatever 50 miles the last time we talked, and that went like that. And we're 5 miles away. You know, I'm not sure where the stacking area is. Kent does. Kent's right in front of me, Kent Hanley, and but I just don't remember what the stacking area was. I think because I always got here when they started parking us, so I didn't have to really wait in line, which was kind of cool. So, but I'm just going to follow him in. We're here a little early, so whatever, no biggie. The weather for this week is supposed to be really, really nice. And yeah, I think tomorrow's going to be, 65 degrees. But then it's supposed to be in the mid 70s until Sunday. And possibly some showers late in the day. High close to 80, but I'll take it. Sometimes Bristol can be really, really hot and nasty. It's a slow track. It's really a good track to keep your average down, because the damn horsepower, the system this year is just like the window is so narrow, guys, that we have to really think about it, which is it just doesn't make any sense to me. When you go to a slow track, you can bring your average down. When you go to a fast track, you can possibly get hit. I don't get it. There's got to be a better system, but I guess that's neither here nor there. I guess I don't know. A lot of traffic on this road. Well, not a lot, but I guess a lot of lights. What do we got? 4 more miles. So that was only a mile and all that talking. So I'll probably speed this up a little bit because there's just, until we get close to the track, then I'll slow it down. But it's good to be Bristol again. It's good to be back in Bristol again. It's really close, 300 miles. It's not a bad ride. What the hell? Might as well go. And what else after this? I think after this race, what else are we going to do after this race? Oh, we're going to go to New Media. That's going to be another long trip, but that's going to be kind of a double-double. It's a double-double because we get 2 grade points at New Media, Open and the division, and then we shoot out to Columbus because it's like just hop on 80 straight across to Columbus, and we get 2 grade points there, and then we'll be back home, take another 3-4 weeks off, and then get ready for Indy. I don't think I'm going to be coming back to Atco, but we'll see. So. But yeah, all right, so we're getting a lot of lights, and let me just kind of speed this thing up. And yeah, so Kent was nice enough to stop for a second because I got stuck at a light, and I would have known. I guess I would have figured it out. Well, the temperature got warm. It's almost 80 degrees. It's really hazy out, but we're supposed to get some cool weather tonight. All right, I remember now. I remember this. I remember parking up over here. I don't know why I forgot. Just forgot. So any of you guys haven't been to Bristol, this is what it is. It's on a mountain or the side of a mountain. And yeah, as you can see, we're going straight up. And it's not a fast track. I think it's like 900 feet above sea level. About 900 feet. We got an Army bracket car here. Ramstein. Yeah, I remember it. How I can forget this. So, yeah, it looks like we're here way early. because there's not a lot of rigs here. Oh, wait a minute. There are a lot of rigs here. We're just on the tail end of them. Okay. And it's early. This many rigs and it's early? What's wrong with us? What is wrong with us? We're on a little bit of a... All right, guys, a little bit of slant here. I'm going to have to level it. We're here, and we'll do our ride through the pits, the whole thing. I'll put this kind of... No, not the ride through there, but we're going to do this. Oh, this gentleman will give me a number. We'll see what number we are. How you doing?
I need a favor from you.
Yes.
I need you to back up.
Oh, so he could get his truck in?
Yeah.
No problem. Let me know how far back. Okay, we're number 25. It looks like a lot more here than 25. Anyway, we're number 25. All right, guys. So, yeah, we'll be back with getting pulled in and parked, and we'll put it all together. And then I'm going to do a ride through the pits and do my normal photos and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys. It's Thursday morning, and yeah, we're rolling in. It's a little bit of a cluster, but it's usually like this. Not a big deal. We're number 25 in line, and yeah, so we'll just kind of go through the routine as usual. All right, guys, I'm back, and it's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, so guys, yeah, well, I'm back, and we're gonna move because it's too much of an angle, and we're gonna go to a nice quiet spot, and it's pretty flat, so that should be, it should be nice. The only thing good about having a small rig, well, that's probably a lot of things good, but going down the road, you like the big rig, but I sure like the little rig when you're trying to park. Because Bristol is really, really tough to get flat ground to park, and when you're in a motorhome, you want something that's flat. So. All right, guys, I think this is it, and I'll do a ride through the pits and whatever it takes, and yeah, we'll do a ride through the pits and finally parked. So, all right, guys, we'll be back.